Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're going to be making a recipe that my Nani used to make for my mum when they lived in Bangladesh. It's a sweet pineapple soup, and I'll be honest, I hadn't heard of it before, but I can guarantee it tastes amazing. For this recipe you're going to need 1 pineapple, about a litre of water, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 150 grams of sugar, 150 grams of desiccated coconut, some bay leaves, some cinnamon and some cardamom. We're going to start by placing a large pan on a medium heat. Once the pan's quite hot, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of ghee and let that melt. When it's all melted, we're going to add in our minced garlic. Now we're going to add in some of our aromats. We're going to start by adding in the bay leaves, then the cinnamon sticks, and finally some cardamom. We're going to allow that all to fry together until the garlic is brown. Once everything's been frying for a few minutes, we're going to add in our pineapple chunks. Give that a good stir to mix all the flavours together. Once that's all mixed, we're going to grab our sugar and add in the 450 grams. Another quick stir to make sure that's all incorporated. And now we're ready to add in our 150 grams of coconut. We've decided to use desiccated coconut as we didn't have any fresh coconut, but if you do, make sure you use that as it will add more flavour to your soup. We're now going to let all of this heat through for a few minutes before we add a lid to the pan to let it heat through for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see after about 10 minutes with the lid on, the pineapple has now softened and we're ready to mash it. We're going to be using a potato masher to do this. Keep mashing until you've gotten rid of all of the large chunks. We want it to be a nice thick paste consistency. Now that all of our pineapple base is mashed, we're going to add in some water. We added roughly a litre of water here. Give that all a stir to combine it. Now's a great time to quickly taste the soup. If you think it needs to be a little bit sweeter, add a little bit more sugar. It all depends on the ripeness of your pineapple. We're adding a little more water as we'd like it to be a bit thinner. We're going to keep this on a medium heat for another 10 minutes and make sure we put the lid on. It should look like this after it's been bubbling away for 10 minutes. We'll leave it on the heat for a couple more minutes, but basically we're done and our pineapple soup is ready to be drunk. The coconut really helps to mellow out the sharp pineapple taste, making this one of the most mouth-watering, delicious and fresh treats that you can have, especially in the summer. We hope you've enjoyed learning this recipe, I know I have. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe and share if you'd like more recipes like this.